It's simple, people. Eat less, move more. Eat less, move more. It works every time. Okay, now that's a flippant answer, I know. It's real, but it is a flippant answer. Why? Because the real complexity is not the how you lose weight. Negative energy balance is how you lose weight, plain and simple. Negative energy balance. You have to create a deficit somehow. The real question, the real complexity is how to eat less and move more. So that you are not starving, hungry, weak, living at the gym, obsessed with food. How to eat less and move more in a way that you can live with and not be crazy. That takes a little work. Actually, that takes a lot of work. So I think there's a three-pronged approach to losing weight successfully, and one is eating less. Okay, you've got to decrease energy in, assuming that you're not starving yourself at the moment. So we're talking about decreasing energy in from energy balance, from the amount of calories you need. But not by a lot, 300 to 500 calories a day. If I took 300 calories out of my diet, I wouldn't notice it. I eat over 2,000 calories a day, easily. If I took 500 calories out of my diet, I'd notice it, but I wouldn't be starving, and I could do it. The beauty of 300 to 500 calories a day is you're not going to see those negative effects happening big time. You might see them happening a little bit, but not big time. 300 calories, you wouldn't notice it. 300 calories taken out of your diet, you're not hungry, you're not starving, you're not weak. The only downside to this modest decrease is you lose weight more slowly. That's the only downside. Now, there is no magic diet, okay? Stop looking. There's no magic combination, this and that, special foods. Okay, but there is a magic diet, I have to admit. There is one, and I can't tell you what it is, because you have to figure it out for yourself. The magic diet for you to lose weight, if you want to lose weight, and I know everybody doesn't want to lose weight, is the combinations of breakfast, lunch, dinners, and snacks that together fit into the calorie range that enables you to be 300, 400, 500 calories less than what you need. That is foods that you enjoy, that are foods that nourish your body. And that diet, that breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, you get that from trial and error and learning. And once you find that, you know, it is a magic diet. It's the way you eat so that you can lose weight healthfully. And you'll be more likely to keep your sanity, keep your self-esteem. I heard Margaret Chose once say, the first thing you lose on a diet is self-esteem. I think that's true. Eat healthful foods. What's the point of going on a diet? I don't care how many calories you're limiting yourself to. If you're not eating healthful foods, your body's not going to respond. You need to nourish your body for your body to not be tired, weak, in pain, and suffer. Include protein and fiber in all meals and snacks. These foods give you more satisfaction with fewer calories. And that's the name of the game. It's like going to the mall with money to spend. Don't you want to find the bargains and make your money last and get more good stuff with your money instead of splurging it all on one stupid thing? Same thing with calories. If you can put together a 500-calorie breakfast that will give you hours of feeling satisfied and energetic and feeling good versus a 500-calorie breakfast that you're going to be hungry in an hour and a half later, which one's going to help you? The one that gives you more satisfaction. And one of the ways you get that is have protein and fiber with every meal and snack. You don't have to have a ton of it. You don't have to have 300 grams of protein. Just make sure you have some balance. Don't have a meal without some protein and fiber. It's not just about calories. I see too often people look for ways to cut out calories, but they're not making sure they're getting the nutrients. All right? You have a bagel on white flour, a white flour bagel with fat-free cream cheese. You might have, what, 150 calories if it's a small bagel, but almost no nutrition. Almost no nutrition. you're going to be hungry right away from that breakfast. Make your meals have more than be low in calories. Have them nourish your body in ways that you can get a lot of mileage. But don't be too restrictive. Oh, watch portions, because even too much healthy food can get you out of negative image balance. And don't be too restrictive, because when you don't allow yourself to eat foods that you enjoy, you're going to obsess about them. And then you're going to overeat them when you are stressed, or when your energy to make good choices is diminished. So you want to give yourself permission to eat any foods, but just be careful the way you do it. And also, when you eat mindfully, you can enjoy less food. You only typically enjoy the first couple of bites. You can cut that something or other in half, eat it mindfully, and get the same amount of enjoyment out of it with half the calories.